Diphthong, ua, oi, ai. These sounds are not just used to make grunts of disgust or surprise. They're actually a very important part of the English pronunciation system. Diphthongs. No. Diphthongs are... Hi, my name's Damien and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you get better at pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand you. In this episode, we focus on the top right-hand corner of the phonemic chart, the diphthongs. Don't know what diphthongs are? Well, you should. Keep watching to find out. Let's get physical. So, what is a diphthong? The name comes from the Greek words dip, meaning double, and thong, meaning sound. A double sound, and that's what a diphthong simply is. Two vowels joined together by one vowel sliding into another vowel. Let's try 3 examples. Gliding, ooh, or maybe skating, oi, or slipping on some dog poo, oh. What do you notice about the first sound in each diphthong? That's right, the first sound is a little longer and stronger than the second sound. Diphthongs are easy. Really? Let me explain why. In Adrian Underhill's phonemic chart, the diphthongs are found in the top right-hand corner. They are organised vertically according to the last or final sound. The final sound can either be a central sound, or a closing sound, I, U. Even though diphthong is a strange and weird word, they are actually easy to learn because they are visible, physical, and they slide between 2 vowel sounds you probably already know already. If you don't know the individual vowel sounds, then make sure you pause the video here and watch the first episode of The Secrets of the Phonemic Chart. Okay, let's throw down the vowel chart from the phonemic chart into the mouth and see how one diphthong maps to it. Oi, oi. You might also be familiar with this type of vowel chart. Let's see how it works. Ear, ear, near. Underhill, when teaching diphthongs, suggests using a mime followed by inner imaging, which is where you, the student, listens to the sound and just processes it in their brain rather than saying the sound, and then practicing the sound by gliding between the 2 vowels. I'm going to go through all the diphthongs now using those 3 steps. Also, I'll use a tool by Voice and Speech to help you visualize that glide between the 2 vowel sounds. And remember, pronunciation is a physical sport, so make sure you practice with me. And before you start any sport, you should stretch and warm up. Stretching and warming up. I think we're ready to start. Ear, ear, ear. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Air. Oi, oi, oi. I, I. Oh, oh, oh. Ow, ow, ow. Easy, right? Now you know that diphthongs are more than just dipping a thong in some French onion dip. Remember, practice, practice, practice. Either use a mirror or your mobile phone to watch yourself pronouncing these sounds. And remember, start taking your English mask off today. I think I'm going to glide out of here.